Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find QR codes on GoHighLevel. So QR codes are something new that GoHighLevel just released within the past year. And so by utilizing it to your advantage, you'll be able to ensure that customers have a better experience as far as accessing your services go with QR codes. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, we're going to access or log into our GoHighLevel account. Next, you're going to click on Sites, and then under Sites, you want to find the QR Codes tab, which is located right over here. So click on QR Codes. Now, once you've done that, you'll be able to create a new QR code or see the analytics of your existing QR codes. So if I click on Create New, you'll see that I now enter the QR code setup mode, where you can choose your type, add additional information, you can choose your QR color and shape, and once you've done that, your QR codes will appear in this same tab. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to find QR codes. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.